Yo, what's up guys? I hope you guys having a great day and welcome back with another GTA 5 video. And today's video we're gonna see our skill test on motorcycle parkour this, but hope you guys enjoy and make sure to subscribe. How's the pretty thing do this? I think like this. Alright, I'll use it. Oh no. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all the people that subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. And I did it wrong. I know I did it wrong. What? Oh. Ay. Shit. Oh. Or if I just like, nope, that's cheating or what? I don't know. But any small YouTubers that want to collab with me, and make sure to comment below if you want to collab with me. If you don't, but you just don't comment. I'm trying to collab with little small YouTubers, or if there's big YouTubers that still want to play with me. I don't think there's gonna be big YouTubers watching this, but hope you guys enjoy this. And this is kind of hard, but let's try to get it done. Come on, too much now. Did I got it? Hell yeah, I got it. See, that's how you're supposed to do it. I think you keep going straight. No, wait, no. What am I doing? There we go. That's how you do it too. I'm cheating. Oh, what? Where am I supposed to go? That's supposed to drop? Oh yeah. Come on. Where? Oh. Almost ran into the. Don't be. Oh my god. This is kind of a little bit hard. My skill test sucks. Don't start flies. The fucking flies are trying to go in my mouth. God damn, man. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say goddamn flies, but I was like goddamn wow, something like that. So dumb. I suck at talking English too. I'm Mexican, that's why. But still. Ooh, almost got it. It's kind of like there's some. It's kind of hard because you have to like jump or something like that. Look at this. Fudge. Almost got it. That's how you're supposed to do it, but you're not supposed to land in the ocean. Come on. You got this. Nope. Not it. Or let me try it from this side. Like from this side, because the angle is going that way. See? That's how you're supposed to do it. Slow down. There you go. That's pretty cool. And let's go. Or if any subscriber wants to play with me, just comment below. I will hit you up. And I'm gonna post YouTube videos almost every week or whenever I have time. I don't have like the several days that I could do videos, but I'm gonna do them whenever I have time. Wait, don't fall. That's not. What? No! Goddamn, suck ass at GTA. My skills are very low still. See? I know what to do there. Oh, what happens if I just step on the gas and... Never mind, that didn't help. That didn't help. There we go. Got this. Oh! No! What? I saw how to do it. I need to do it again. This is my first trying this, alright? So don't say, oh, you played this already. What? I think that's how you're supposed to do it. It's like a wall ride or something like that. I don't know how to, I think I'm right. But let me just go like this. Go like this. No, oh my god, no. That didn't help? No, huh? There we go. There. Oh, almost missed the. Almost the what's it called? You're not supposed to do that, but alright. Here we go. Here we go. This map's pretty bad. It's alright. For the video, it's alright, but what? What? Oh my god. I think that's gonna be it. Oh, this is the hard part. I guess, I don't know. What? That's a little bit. Slow down, slow down, slow down. You're gonna have to go fast. What? That's a little bit. I guess. I don't know. But I hope you guys like this little small video. It was small, I think like 7 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy this little small video. Make sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Peace out.